How to fix your TikTok stories not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So in this video, I'm going to be mentioning all the steps you can take to fix this problem. So watch the video till the end. The first thing you want to do is pretty generic, but it does work sometimes. The first thing you want to do is try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. If it's still not fixing your problem, you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply make sure that you have the latest version of your application installed. Always make sure that stories are available in your region because sometimes they may not be available in some countries. If that is not the case, you can simply go to your profile settings, privacy, and then free up space and simply clear cache of your application. Always make sure that the app has all the necessary permissions, and if none of it works, you can try logging out and logging back in, or even reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.